Hello guys, in this video we are going to cover reflection full concept overview for ICSE boards 2026. Let's start. We will be covering what is reflection, coordinate axis, and what is reflection in x-axis, y-axis and origin. Okay, let's start with what is reflection. What is reflection? Just like how you look in the mirror, the image which you see, that is your reflection. So reflection is nothing but the reverse image of yourself, and it is always in the same distance. So let's say if this is the mirror, you are here, your mirror image will be reverse of your original self, and the distance between the mirror and you will be equal to the distance between the mirror and the mirror image. Same way with this text, hello, this will look like this because it is reversed. This is a coordinate axis where this is called the x-axis, the horizontal line is called the x-axis, and the vertical one is called y-axis. They are both perpendicular to each other, and in x-axis, the middle point is called origin, which is always 0, 0. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. If you go towards right, then you are increasing the horizontal distance. So the x-axis will be positive, because we are increasing the horizontal distance from 0. If we reduce the distance, x-axis will be negative. So this side is positive x-axis, this side is negative x-axis. Now let's say from origin, if we increase the height will be more than 0. So y-axis will be positive, the y coordinate will be positive. If we decrease the height from here, then it will be negative. The y coordinate will be negative. So this is the negative y-axis, this is the positive y-axis. Now let's take a point here. Let's say here. Now this coordinate will be, so we have to see, it's always x comma y. We have to first see what is the x coordinate, what is the distance from the origin, which is 3. And what is the height? Height is 2. So the coordinate will be 3, 2. Now let's take a point here and let's see. Now in this point, the distance is 2. So x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is -4. So we will write here 2, -4. Let's try over here. So we will get the distance is -5 because it's going in the left side. The horizontal distance in the left side, and the height is also, it's below the origin. So both are negative. It will become -5, -5. And let's take here, let's say this point. So we have the horizontal distance is negative, -3, and height is 1. So the coordinate will be called -3, 1. So this is how the coordinate system works, where this side will be positive, this side will be negative x-axis, this side will be positive y-axis, this side will be negative y-axis. And we can name every point on this coordinate system accordingly. Part 3, reflection. We will look at 3 different ways of reflection: x-axis, y-axis and origin. Let's start with reflection in x-axis. Let's say we have this coordinate axis. Now let's plot a point anywhere we can plot. So we will plot here. This point will be 3, 2, x, y, 3, 2. Now you want to reflect this point in x-axis. So this is the x-axis. So this x-axis will act as a mirror. So it will act as a mirror. So if the object is here, the image will be of the same distance this side. You just have to plot it here. Same distance, and horizontal distance is the same. It will become -2. So this will be the reflection of this point. Instead of a point, we have a line. So one endpoint is here, another endpoint is here of the line. And this coordinate will be called 1, 5. 1, 5. Okay. Now we'll join this line. We'll join these points, make a line. Now, the question is, now it's a line reflection. We have this line, we want to reflect it and we want to reflect it in x-axis. How do we do that? Same thing. A line has two endpoints. So first, this point we have already reflected. The other endpoint we have to reflect. So same distance will be this much. So this will become 1 comma minus 5. We have the two endpoints. You can simply join them. This is the answer. So this is the reflection of this in the x-axis. Now, reflection in y-axis. Let's take the same line. We want to reflect this in y-axis. So y-axis will act as a mirror. So we have a line here. We want to reflect it over this side in y-axis. What we'll do, again same thing. We'll take each point. We'll reflect them one by one. So this will be 1 comma 5 here. So it will be here minus 1 comma 5. This point is reflected here, and this point will be reflected this side. This is 3 comma 2. This will be minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. Simply join them. This is our reflection in y-axis. Now the last one, reflection in origin. We have this line. We want to reflect it in origin. This is the origin. Now what will happen? This object is in first quadrant. Now if we reflect it in the origin, then this quadrant, the image will be formed. So let's reflect this point. This is 3 comma 2. So the reflection will be here minus 3 comma minus 2. Notice how both the signs are changing when we reflect in origin. Next, 1 comma 5 will become minus 1 comma minus 5. Now we join them. This is the reflection in origin. Thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch the other videos of coordinate geometry.